guys, today we are making some American pancakes, or also known as
FlapJacks.
FlapJacks, yes. Hello Lianai.
Hello, Lulu.
Hello Lian.
Hello.
Okay, so with our flapjacks today we are actually putting some banana and bacon with maple syrup.
Guys, before you can listen to my mom, please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more random videos.
Yes, and like, eh?
Yeah,
Okay.
like it.
Okay.
Like it.
Okay, so in this bowl we've got a cup of flour.
That's what I'm going to pour in, and this is one of our eggs.
Yes. 20 ml of white sugar, 5 ml of baking powder, 2.5 ml, half a teaspoon of bicarb,
2 eggs.
a pinch of salt, and then you can add the dry ingredients, the wet ingredients with 2 eggs, yes.
No, this is one of our eggs.
Okay, 2 eggs.
3 eggs.
Okay, 2 eggs actually, wait.
Actually 3 eggs.
Well, 2 eggs and a make pretend egg. 1 cup of milk, 25 grams of melted butter, and about 2 ml of vanilla essence. And you just mix it all together until you get a...
Guys, this is what kind of...
Ooh, a little T-Rex. Ooh, and Liana is not wanting to sit anymore. With a little bit of...
Guys, we kind of ran out of eggs and we pretended we had it.
Yeah,
This
so
was
now
our egg.
we're mixing it like till it's a smooth paste, and then we're going to fry it in a little bit of butter.
Can I do it?
Do you want to fry it?
Yes.
Okay, we're just switching on our stove.
What? I'm actually going to fry butter.
Yes, so let's put our knob of butter in there. We're just going to wait for our pan to warm up, and then we're going to start frying. Oh, Mianai. She's now eating our spatula.
I'm
Look
done.
at her mouth. Mommy fried some bacon earlier. She's eating the bacon juice. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to put...
Sorry guys, that was a fake egg. This is the real egg.
Is that the real egg? Okay, so we're going to spread the butter throughout the pan.
Hey, that's my job.
Is that your job? I'm so sorry. I think the people will just need to see a little bit. Will you move back a bit, Leanne?
Hey, I'm not...
You can turn it around. Is that okay? Just get by the heat that you burn. Is it okay?
No.
Okay, I'll move it to you.
Fa la 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 la.
So each one you can...
Fa la 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 la.
Each one you can make a tablespoon size. And then when you see it
Sorry, these recorded. It was so stupid of us. Actually, it wasn't me. I thought it wasn't recording. The first one, I thought it was not recording because I saw when I went there, I saw that thing was black, and then it wasn't recording.
Yeah, so we had a little bit of a boo.
That was Mom's fault because I knew it wasn't recording.
Okay, so when it starts to bubble on the one side like that, it's ready to be turned over.
Can I do it?
Do you want to try?
That's how it should look.
That is how it should look. Okay, the first one you said it didn't look like I
Anything
always
like
make it.
Yeah, that doesn't look like anything like it, but those two look perfect.
Do you know what it is? It's when the butter starts to become less, then it looks like that. Okay,
Well,
so yeah.
those two are look beautiful.
Okay, just watch out for the heat there. So move a little bit in because I'm going to start cooking the banana and the bacon on that side as well.
Guys, sorry, she's eating the spatula.
Yes, this is eating the spatula.
A
And
real
she's becoming
spatula.
very oily, but it's okay.
Sorry, guys,
And a
but
beautiful
that.
white outfit is becoming black, but it's now okay.
What
Mommy will need to wash
what
that after.
outfit?
That little onesie she has on. Is it not an outfit?
Oh yeah, sorry. I thought it was like a spatula.
Okay, so we're going to take our banana and split it in half.
Yes.
Do you want the banana?
Yeah.
Of course you may.
Okay.
We're just going to give it a
Hey,
good...
that kind of looks like an eagle.
brown it on the other side quickly again. Put your bacon and your
spatula.
Your bacon and your banana in the same pan because you want the.
Seriously.
We're gonna give it to you now.
Banana.
We want the flavors to incorporate with one another. I'm just going to give it to the bigger flame. Okay, so now we're going to start plating our beautiful food. Mom will be back now.
Guys, we didn't put any eggs in yet.
You funny boy.
Hey.
Okay, so now we're going to put our FlapJacks on.
It is true.
Okay, Leanne. Did you touch the pan? Oh, that's why you should sit still. Okay.
Hi, that's why you laugh. I kind of got
Okay. Now we're going to put
Look at this.
I know. Now we're going to put the maple syrup
Oh,
on.
right. Not on that beautiful FlapJack.
Don't worry, I'll make you some more without. Leanne doesn't like the maple syrup. No.
I hate it. In fact, sorry guys, but the video is going to continue next Monday. Okay?
Okay, so now we want the bacon to become nice and crispy.
Guys, the banana is burning like it's a popsicle.
Is it burning like it's a popsicle?
Yeah. And the fire is like fire.
Okay, our banana is grilled. Now we can
Don't
place
get
our
in near
banana
me,
on.
please.
It won't come near you, Leanne. We can put our bacon on top. Put it there. We can take some curry cheese.
Guys, sorry,
Cream
we
cheese.
Oh, great. The egg fell and crack. The egg fell and crack. Mom just stepped on it. Great. Now I have to go pick it up and clean it up.
Here we
So,
go.
sorry guys, I just have to get down to clean that mess.
Okay, let's just quickly finish up. Then we put our curry on.
You.
Soft cream cheese. And we garnish it because today we want to look professional.
Like a jungle on an island.
A little jungle on the food.
Yeah. On
There
the.
we go.
This is kind of like an island. That's kind of like the jungle for ants.
Okay, and that is it.
Don't let the ants eat it.
Leanne, does it look good?
Yeah.
And that's it for today. We'll see you on Monday again.
See you Tuesday.
Bye.